Tips on just how business owners start home-based small businesses. There are many ways through which entrepreneurs jump on the roadway to success. Some business owners select to take advantage of franchise business opportunities and from there move on to greater magnificence. There are lots of points that can be claimed about franchising. For one point, franchise opportunities allow you to pass through the marketplace with an already established trademark name. People already recognize the service or product, so you won't have to go via the difficulty of going far. Obviously, you have the duty to go far for your organization as well as not simply the product. This indicates you need to market yourself. After all, individuals can obtain the products or services from other franchises, so what makes you any type of different? You need to reveal to them that you are different from other businesses, even if your item coincides. You have to do your best to encourage people that obtaining the item from you is the best choice that they can make. If you do not assume that capitalizing on franchise chance is the important thing for you, maybe you ought to consider starting a tiny home organization. A lot of budding business owners put up tiny online services for different reasons. Here are some of them. Absence of financing. Most business owners have actually tiny home-based businesses because of the simple fact that as a beginner they do not have the funding to rent out workplaces. She or he really reaches and saves money on the rental fee of industrial areas. All of us recognize exactly how difficult it can be to manage finance resources when you are starting a service, so conserving all the money you can is a great concept. Convenience. For business owners, tiny home businesses can be very hassle-free. When you consider it, they can remain at house all the time and also still make a living. Entrepreneurs locate little online company practicals in various other methods too. Much legality is removed when you base your endeavors in your home. Getting a lease on an industrial area might often confirm also complex as compared to having your company in your home. 3. Consumer-based. Some business owners begin small home-based businesses due to the reality they might already have an established customer base there. Some restaurants, as an example, get started as a result of an individual observing that his or her food preparation is preferred around the neighborhood. Currently, by starting a restaurant in the home, she or he would certainly currently have a client base happy to pay for her cooking. Remember, you need to plan effectively. Many entrepreneurs, tiny home-based businesses, stop working due to inadequate planning. You need to learn how to separate your organization funds from your resident funds, as well as discover how to record each appropriately. In order for you to be able to effectively manage your organization, you could wish to speak with 3 people: an accountant, a lawyer, and an expert. In between these 3 individuals, you can obtain the big picture of what to expect while running a small home organization as an entrepreneur. You have to be solid. Many people can inform you that business and personal life don't blend effectively. Yet history has revealed that entrepreneurs with a tiny home service frequently are successful at coming to be around the world affordable. Three geeks in a garage have as much possibility at doing well in a service endeavour as an exec in a workplace with a view. Innovation today has implemented that all resources be within your grasp. All you actually need to do is discover the will to take the initial step. There you go. Those are some ideas to get you started on that particular first step. By keeping in mind to take computed threats, you ought to be great in obtaining your tiny home company off the ground as an entrepreneur. I hope this has given you some insight of what you are looking for. If you like my videos, there's a button down below. Please press the like button. Also, if you want to see more, there's a bell at the top. Press the bell next to it, press all, and they will let you know when I put another video up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and goodbye.